Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. As you guys all know, this morning, 8 a.m., 21st of August, the driving test center booking system opened up, which I made a video yesterday, and then this morning I made another video because too many people tried to get into it and it just crashed out. And I'm sure most of you, as you guys have commented in my last video, have been waiting for a good couple of hours and couldn't get through. So this is what DVSA sent. They sent it about 4 p.m. It's currently almost 7 o'clock, so we do try to get the videos out straight away as soon as we get the information. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for all the latest videos. Show some love and click the button. Okay, so update on the reopening of the driving test booking service. Yesterday, 20th of August, we let you know we would be opening the driving test booking service and online business services so that everyone in England and Wales could book a driving test. Following an unprecedented demand on the booking system, we're aware that some users have not been able to book at tests and received error messages. So which is what happened this morning, I'm sure, to most of you guys. We are working to fix the problem as soon as possible, and we apologize for any inconveniences and disappointment to those who have been unable to book so far. So here's some extremely important news for all of you guys who couldn't book a test this morning. Test slots availability. We have limited numbers of tests available today, but more will be released on Monday, 24th of August. Don't forget this date. So a couple of days time, Monday, 24th of August, test slots will be released on rolling 6 weeks basis. If you or your pupils cannot book a test at their preferred test center, please check other nearby alternative test centers for availability, which I'm sure some of you guys are doing. Please avoid calling the contact center as they are extremely busy. All driving tests will be made available online as soon as possible. I have been getting a lot of messages from students saying that they couldn't book a test today, and even comments from you guys saying that you guys have been waiting 3 hours, 5 hours, even 6 hours and still couldn't get through and book a test. So in the middle of all this bad news and waiting and disappointment, there's a little bit of a light here, which is saying on Monday in a few days time that there'll be a few more days to be released. So look out for it. You may encounter the same problems of waiting around, of trying to get through, and the loading of the site and error problems, because a lot of people will try to also book the test at the same time. But if you're free, try your best, see if you can book a test. If you can, great news. If you can't, unfortunately, again, back in the queue. So sorry for the bad news, but here's a little bit of a light for you guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to keep updated with all the latest news from me, FM Driving School.